Very good. You want some more? You want some more? Give Mommy back the spoon. I'll give you some more. Okay, here you go. Oh, you want? It's got to put the spoon in your mouth, sweetie. There you go. Oh, good job. There's a little bit more in here if you want it. You were really hungry tonight, weren't you?